For today's video kung paano makakuha ng pag-ibig ko sa'yo. Oh my God. Charot. Pag-ibig clearance. Paano ba makakuha ng pag-ibig clearance? So, ito ay para sa employer, lalo na sa business renewal. So, naghihingi ng pag-ibig clearance yung mga municipality licensing permit. So, dito malalaman kung nagbabayad ba yung employer ng pag-ibig sa mga employees nila. So, requirements for pag-ibig clearance, kung hindi personal na may-ari ng kumpanya yung kukuha, ay authorization letter signed by the owner or head. Then, of course, photocopy a valid ID ng signatory. So, sanay ka naman maghintay. Karing. Hintayin mo lang in the same day, makukuha ka agad yung clearance. So, madali lang naman. So, clearance. So, permission is hereby granted to name of company. Then, address. In the application for or renewal of license to operate after it has been cleared by Pag-ibig Fund, the branch in accordance with the implementing rules and regulations of RA 9679. This clearance is valid until December 31, 2023 as a requirement only of the local government unit in the filing and renewal of business permits. So that's all. Pero mas mabuti kung magbabayad tayo ng monthly remittance ng pag-ibig para smooth yung transaction.
Wow!
Para madaling makakuha ng clearance. So, ganyan lang kadali kabilis.